Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I'm going to be speaking about how to encourage your baby to use a straw cup. So for what purpose do we use straw cups? So we use straw cups when we start solids for our babies to offer them water, or we use straw cups to offer milk to our babies after they're 12 months old in order to wean the bottles. So weaning of bottles is recommended by 15 months of age and maximum by 18 months of age. And in order to wean those bottles, what do you need? You need cups. And which are the best cups for your baby's teeth and oral motor development? There are actually just two cups, which is the straw cup and the open cup. These are the only two cups that do not interfere with the way your baby's teeth are being developed. They help in proper facial muscle development, oral motor skin development, speech development, and even teeth alignment. So if you can get your baby to learn either of the skills, which is drinking from a straw cup or an open cup, or even both of these skills, then your baby is at a good place. And if you're still stuck on a bottle for water or on a hard spout or soft spout cup, then you need to start thinking about moving on to these cups, because these are skills that babies will require for the rest of their lives. So which cup am I using? So I am using the Munchkin weighted straw cup, and I have been using this for Noor since Noor was 7 months old, and from 7 months till date she has water in this. And now after 12 months we have also moved from bottles to milk in this straw cup. Now, how to encourage your babies to actually use the straw cup, because I get like a lot of DMs saying that my baby is not able to accept a straw cup. So the right age to start a straw cup is as soon as you start weaning your baby. So if you start below 8 months of age, you will not even realize, but your baby will surprise you and will take up the straw cup very easily without any kind of effort from your end. That is because from 6 to 8 months, at the early ages of baby, the baby's suckling reflex, the suckling power is very, very strong. So they can easily pick up the straw cup, and that is how it happened with Noor. So I started with a soft spout cup for Noor for 1 month, the entire 6 months, and at the 7th month she took to the straw cup just within 2 days and without any effort from my end. So if your baby is smaller or you're just starting weaning, then I would recommend you start with the straw cup straight away, or move on to it by at least 7 months, and your baby will have no trouble accepting it. Because what happens is that as the baby starts growing, especially after that 8-9 month mark, babies start getting aware of things, their brains start developing, they start getting used to things, and therefore taking up the straw cup then becomes more and more difficult as time passes, and even more difficult after a year. So the earlier you start, the better it is. So what are some of the ways you can encourage your baby? So whenever you are starting, start offering the straw cup at 1 meal a day. And whenever you are offering that straw cup, your baby should not see that cup or the katori chamuch that you are using to feed water to your baby along with it. So start with 1 meal. See, initially baby's water requirements are not very high. So even if your baby doesn't drink that much water during a meal, that's absolutely okay. So start with offering the straw cup to your baby at 1 meal a day, and after 2-3 days increase it to 2 meals a day, if your baby is at 2 meals at that time. And even if you think your baby is not drinking, despite you offering the straw cup, keep that straw cup in your baby's vision all the time. When your baby is playing, always first offer the straw cup. but do not keep the other cup that the baby is used to or the bottle within sight. Your baby should not be seeing it. However, if you feel that it has been a very long time, 4 to 5 hours, and your baby's not had water and seems thirsty, then it's okay to go back to whatever you were using. But first, always try with the straw cup, and do not confuse the baby with a lot of cups. So say if you started with a straw cup today of a particular brand, let your baby get used to it. Don't say that after 2 days my baby is not accepting it, let me try another brand's cup, and then you get another cup. Then you say, okay, even my baby is not accepting it, let me get a 360-degree miracle cup. So don't confuse the baby. If you have decided to make your baby to take a straw cup, stick to one straw cup, stick to it. It will take practice. Your baby just needs to get comfortable with it, and if your baby is smaller, he will get used to it. The whole idea is keep other cups the baby is used to out of sight, so that your baby knows that there is no choice. This is the only choice to drink water, and let me tell you, your baby will surprise you and will himself figure out how to use the straw cup, because they know how to suckle. So this really worked for me. The next hack, if you think that this is not working, it's been a very long time, or if your baby is older than a year and this is not working, then what do? So what you can do is, you take your baby's bottle nipple or whatever spout he's used to, take the straw cup, cut the bottle nipple so that the straw can come out of it, and place it here, and see if your baby will then take or use the straw cup to drink water or not. If this also doesn't work and your baby still wants the bottle, another option is that if this is your baby's bottle, take this nipple, cut it out in the straw size, take a normal straw, place it here, put the nipple over, and then give it to your baby. And you see how your baby learns how to use it. And if even this hack does not work for you, then there are straw trainer cups available in the market. Though in India there are hardly any available, and the ones that are available are very expensive, so I would not recommend using them. But if you think that that's your last resort and nothing else is working, then you can buy it. So they look like this, and what you do is that they are kind of curved. So the moment you press them a little, the water goes inside the baby's mouth without baby making the effort to suck the water. So 1 or 2 times when you start doing it and your baby suddenly realizes that water is coming inside his mouth, he will automatically kind of make a suction of from his lips onto the straw, and that is how he will learn. But I would not recommend this, because the other methods are much simpler and easier. Just let your baby figure it out. Give him time to explore, let him get used to it, let the cup be always in the baby's surroundings, let that always be your first choice, and believe me, your baby will surprise you. Now there are some moms who have this concern that the Munchkin weighted straw cup takes a lot of effort to suck water from it. So there's a reason behind why it is like that. So if you use a normal straw, you will realize a lot of water suddenly comes in, but this is regulated water, and this will not cause your baby to gag or suddenly cough up on a lot of water. Hence this weighted cup with like a stronger reflex is designed for babies in that particular way. So don't underestimate your baby, saying that it's too hard. We also tried using it, it's very hard to suckle out water. Your babies can suckle out milk even from your breast, which is also a hard process. So this is nothing. And this in turn prepares the baby to handle that large flow of water when he starts using a normal straw cup. This is how easy it is to take a straw cup. Just let your baby figure it out and give him some time to adjust to it. Start with one skill at a time. If you've decided to go with a straw cup, let your baby become an expert in it, and only then move forward to the other cup. Don't confuse your baby with different cups. And mind you, if you want to wean bottles and give your baby milk in a straw cup, first your baby should be a pro at drinking water from a straw cup. And if you can do that, then you will realize that coming on to milk is also a very easy task. So that's about it. These are my tips. Hope my video was helpful. Keep writing and take care. Thank you. Bye bye.